Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Great, thank you. And you?
Top of the morning to you. Yeah, I'm good. I'm really, really good. Although we don't seem to have much of an evening on a Wednesday when we're on calls until 9 o'clock, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. But hey, another day, another dollar, literally. So let's get right into it. So market overnight been interesting. It's always interesting. I just could watch these charts all day, as sad as I might be. So we talked about this here, went all the way down. So it surpassed this point and went past it. So we were here yesterday. It's actually there now, believe it or not. So this is the day chart. Went all the way down. Didn't quite hit my TP at 4,000, but let's see. We remain hopeful. It hit my TP at 4,100, which was, I don't know, about 1,800 pips. So we've got some news coming today, I believe. PPI, 11th of June at 1:30. Michigan consumer sentiment at 3 o'clock. And that may not. Housing starts, building permits. So some news that mildly could move the market, depends how it's interpreted. We trade price action, so that's where we're at. So the range has been 4,023 to 4,118. Good morning, Kieran. Good morning, Petra. Lovely to have you with us this morning. So
Morning,
that's
guys.
your day range. That's your day range, which is what we look at all the time. This is what's happening during the day or the last few days. So market's generally been coming down. Not that there isn't any buying opportunities because they're all over the place, but big selling day yesterday. Yeah, big selling day. And so let's have a look, see what the hours have been doing since market open. So shows a different picture. So what I tend to do is I will go back to last night, so which will be here somewhere. That's Wednesday. Wednesday. This is probably the point. Yeah, here. So 11 o'clock last night. You got this. I'll just expand it out for you. 11 o'clock last night. So if you don't know what at the bottom there, it tells you Wednesday, 10th of June, 2300 is when the market opens. So that's the first hour, and then it sold. Well, let's get rid of that. It sold, and then that's when it hit the bottom. Between 11 and 12. No, 12 and 1. So then it's been buying, sold. Buying is not quite up back to where it's been. So there's your range. 23.18. What is that? Just about $95 odd is been ranging. So that's still 1,000 pips. It's a lot of money in terms of how volatile the market actually is, and it's behaved very differently since this US administration came in. But what we'll do is 1 minute away from the 5-minute trade card that we can pull down. So the market over the last, since 7 this morning, has been buying generally. Again, selling opportunities in there too, but generally it's been buying. So let's see what it does and see what the trade cards are saying, because we don't actually have to think about what we're doing here. Right? All we have to do is learn to operate the system. And so I'm going to let Matthias take over, because he'll press the button at 8:05 and we will be into our first trading card for the day. I wish you all well. Let's have profitable trading, careful trading, and go with the system, okay? Good morning, Matthias. How are you?
Great, thank you. Let's refresh. I was refreshing before. Was a buy before, and it's still a buy. You're still on the range.
So go for it.
Was a green candle, as you can see. If you press the button, you are in profit already. That was fast one. I hope you had time to refresh with me. That is the important thing. If you have your machine learning, have your trading view, and refresh. And if it's a green candle, it's a buy. go for it, okay? If it's a red candle and it's a buy, then you wait for the best range. But if it's a green and we are buying, scalping in and out. As you can see, TP1 already. On that one was very fast. I hope you got that. The first one at 8 o'clock was a little bit slow, took more time to go to TP1, but that one went straight away. TP1. Sweet tracing now. I don't keep chasing the same trading card. If we had already TP1, I will be waiting for the next 4 minutes to refresh again and get to it. If that's coming back to my break even, I'm out now. As you can see, it's coming back to break even. I'm out now. Okay, I will not keep chasing the same trading card. That means you protect your capital and you prepare to go again. Okay. As soon as you're in profit, you book your profits and stop loss to break even. Protect your capital. Don't wait that trade to come back all the way to stop loss or hard stop to stop you. You need to protect yourself. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit. Okay, book in the profits and move your stop loss to break even.
I think the other important thing is, Mateus, that it's really, really psychologically important if you've not traded in terms of this is your first trade of the day, is to get a bit of profit behind you.
Just book the profit.
Nothing nicer than starting with on a positive note.
Yeah, if you start early, if you start to refresh that around 7 o'clock, you saw some buys. If you bought on that time or 6 o'clock, even 6 o'clock was a nice buy as well. But right now, he's forming that range. Is small, as you can see, could retrace, and is retracing now as it's not at stop loss or anything like that, but it's retracing. If he goes down, you know you could be out, but it's better be out on the break even. Okay, break even is a risk free. As you can see, we have that's time to have a break, and then you can refresh again. Now in another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh and go again. Still forming that range there on the 1 minute. We're seeing that pattern over and over. That doesn't mean we will stay there forever. At some point, we'll break down or break up.
Definitely. Okay. Go to the 5 minutes, see what that's doing. Yeah, you see, massive candle there, came back, retraced back, and you just don't know if it's going to go for this or not. Could do, maybe not, but that's not our business. We're not in the prediction game. We're in the mechanical trading, following the trade card game.
And if you start with small capital, like 500, 1,000, 2,000, even 2,000, as you can see, the lot size needs to be according with your account. Okay, maybe you don't make a lot of money, but think about percentage, not the money. Okay, think about the percentage. If you make 1, 2, 3% a day, is more than enough. Let's refresh, and it's a buy. It's a buy again. Red candle. Wait a little bit for the best entry. Red candle. And then when you press the button, you put your stop loss straight away. Okay, we came nearly to the end best entry is going up. Book your profits. That's nearly TP1, guys. Nearly TP1 for me. Scalping in and out. If you want something slow, go to the 50 minutes. Go for the half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, that is TP1 straight away. Came to the bottom of it and it's going straight away to TP1. You can move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Let's see if we can break that 95, 96 now and go to TP2. If it's not, book some profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, capital preservation is the key. It was a little bit more than TP1 for now. It's not coming back to my break even yet, but I booked some profits already. Remember, guys, that scalping, we are in and out, okay? If it's too fast, you know what to do. You go for the 15 minutes, half an hour, and 1 hour. Okay, now it's officially TP2. TP2. If you have 2 entries, you close 1 entry on TP1 and you leave the another one to run. Okay, then you can move the stop loss to break even straight away on that one you're running. Especially if you have small accounts, it's impossible for you to do partials or anything like that. The way you can do is place 2 trades. Place 2 trades, 0.01, 0.02, whatever you decide to do. Then one you close at TP1 straight away, as soon as in profit, and the another one you let that run and move your stop loss to break even. As you can see, that went to TP2 and is coming back to your break even. And if you don't have a break even, we'll come back to your stop loss. I'm sorry about that, but I'm talking that all the time. It's very important for you to follow the rules. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. Why? Because in another 1 minute, we will refresh again and having another trading card. Don't keep chasing the same one, okay? That's why you have 2 entries. If you have a small accounts, you have 2 entries. One, close it straight away at TP1 or nearby TP1, book some profits. And the another one is only one now for you to take care. You move your stop loss to break even. Then you go for TP2, TP3, TP4 on that one, okay? It's coming back, but now you should be out at break even, okay? Don't keep chasing. Less than 1 minute, we refresh again. Let me know in the comments if you're booking those profits, if you're having any issues to understand that. But the main thing is book your profits, okay? Make sure you have your trading card ready for refreshing your machine learning, and make sure you have your trading view open to see where the market is, okay? Let's press the button again. Yeah, time to refresh. It's still a buy. Still a buy. You have the range and you have, let me see the range. Great. Yes, small pips there, guys. Small entries. It's narrow. Don't overthink. If you press the button, okay. If you didn't, it's okay as well. Don't worry, you don't need to go in each of them, okay? but looks like it's looking to break that 98. If it breaks that 98, we will be in GP1. Okay, if it breaks that strong, let's go for GP1. GP1, guys, book your profits. Don't overthink. Press the button. Okay, if you have 2 entries, one will be booking profits now, the another one is let that run, and book your GP2 now. Book your GP2. Really nice profits. I'm booking everything now, leaving only one now for run, and that's it. As simple as that. Okay, guys, click on the button, close profits. That one, I'm sure you're closing. If you have 2 entries now on that one, you're closing straight away on GP2, the 2 entries, because as you can see, went straight away to GP2, nearby GP3. If you don't have the same numbers as me, it's normal. My GP1 was 99.50. GP2 was 4101.18. And now GP3, 4103.43. It's a lot of pipettes, it's a lot of numbers. I don't want to keep updating you the numbers. I can't, because otherwise we don't have time to guide you properly. Okay, you need to have your
profit. Lovely profit.
Yeah, but easy as well. As you can see, the candle was green. We don't overthink. We press the button. If it's red and we buy, we wait a little bit. Okay, that's it. Could be a GP4 for you if you book like 2 entries on GP2. It's a double win. And it's still going up, guys. It's still going up. That means could be TP3 now. If you still holding one, you can go to GP3 now. Yes, officially TP3. You can book more profits. If you're holding for GP3, now is your time to book more profits. If you're still holding for GP4 for me is 06.13. I tell you the pipettes as well, but it's 06. Okay, the 06 will be TP4 for me. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the power of it. If you're still holding, amazing. You're going towards TP4. And also, if you're not holding, you're waiting for the next trading card, absolutely fine, guys. We have only 40 seconds left to refresh again. Okay. Okay.
There you go. We were talking about this hitting this level. It's getting there.
Yeah.
So it's going to take out last night's high.
Yeah.
There it goes.
That will be TP4, by the way, guys. If we reach that 606, that is TP4. And then it's nothing to hold there. If we break in that point, we can go even further up. Okay, if it's still a strong buy, don't overthink. Refresh, and this is still a strong buy like now, you know what to do. Don't overthink. You can go for it. Okay, make sure you put your stop loss. We are on the top of the range now. Could be some retracement. Just make sure you put your stop loss always. Okay, wait for the best entry. If you enter already, it's okay. but don't have the FOMO, okay? Just protect yourself. Remember, we are on the top of the range now. Could be a retracement, and it's happening. We're still on the range. I was mixing, refreshing, guys. I'm sorry about that. It was M15, M5. If the numbers doesn't match with you, it's for that reason. If you follow what I'm saying, book your profits, okay?
Remember, 5 minutes there with my chart, guys. You shouldn't really be following my charts. We're only doing it for illustration purposes. You should have your own chart.
Yeah, have your trading view open on your desktop and have your machine learning ready to refresh as well, okay? If you do any mistakes like I do sometimes, I keep changing the 5 minutes and 50 minutes. It's just to help you as well, but then sometimes I forgot to come back to the 5 minutes. Just be mindful of which one you're refreshing, okay? We're still on the range on that one. When I refresh on the 5 minutes, it's fighting there. It's going towards TP1. If you refresh on the 5 minutes, you'll be able to see that, okay? But try to refresh on the right time. As soon as we change, you refresh, okay? As soon as we are in 5 minutes exactly, the candle changing, you have 30 seconds to change to refresh and use another trading card, okay? That's I meant. That's TP1. If you're booking your profits now it's the time. That's TP1 is reached. Move your stop loss to break even. If you have 2 entries, it's easy for you to do that. One you close, the another one you move your stop loss to break even, okay? If you didn't have time, now you have time again to do that. It's going towards TP2. It's going towards TP2 now. If you have your another entry, if you're holding that to TP2, TP3, absolutely fine, as long as you have that at break even, okay? Capital preservation is the key. As you can see, it's retracing. It's still on the range. It's not coming to your stop loss yet. Oh, your hard stop. Amazing. It's going to TP2. TP2, guys. If you're holding for TP2, now is the time. TP2. And don't keep waiting for the entry. When we are in a buy and it's green, don't keep waiting for that best entry. Just press the button and go for it, okay? If you have 2 entries, you can put 1 entry on the top of the range, another entry on the bottom of the range. You can wait for the second entry, but don't wait for the first entry at least. Especially if we are buying, strong buy as you can see, and you see a green candle, just press the button, okay? Don't overthink. Only if it's red, you need to be more patient. If it's green, go for it. As you can see, we are going towards TP3 now. TP3 on that one. and it's time to if you refresh, you will see if you refresh at 25, it's still a strong buy. I'm still on the another one. It didn't came yet for my break even, and it's still strong, guys. It's still strong, that buy. As you can see, if you wait for that candle to retrace a little bit, you get a better entry, then you can go if it's red. Okay, and then you can play. If you have your 2 entries, you can play with those entries as well. Go in one, you go on the top of the range or nearby the top, and the another one you go straight away to the bottom of the range. You just wait. As you can see, it's really going up. We are in TP1 already, TP4 on the another one now. TP4, no, TP3, I'm sorry. TP3 and TP1, guys. Too many numbers. I'm getting excited with that. Come on, let's go. TP, yeah. And don't wait for the pipettes or anything like that. As you can see, that went to TP2 already. Nearly TP2 for me, nearly TP2, but don't get the hung off on those pipettes you see. If it's 10, you're going to TP2, close it, make some profits, okay? It's retracing again. Your stop loss at break even on those ones, and you will be absolutely fine, okay? Retracing again. If it's on your entry point, absolutely fine, guys. If it's at break even, it's protecting your capital, okay? If it's not, then if you're still holding for TP3 on that one, TP2, absolutely fine as well. Loving the blue this morning. We loving it as well. It's nice when it's like that. Easy to follow the trading cards. Thank you very much, Petra. Let's see, guys. Another few seconds, 20 seconds, we'll be able to refresh again, okay? Get ready for that. And if it's a buy, it's green, go for it. If it's still red, just wait for the best entry, okay? Still strong, the buy, still strong. It's a red candle, as you can see there. What we do, we wait, and if it changes straight away, we don't wait for the exactly numbers. If it's green, it's going up, press the button, okay? Then prepare to book profits. Yes, prepare to book profits. 10, That's GP2 straight away. GP2 straight away. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. It's very fast, that profits. I hope so you got that.
Looking good, Matthias. Looking good.
Let's see if we can break that 10 now. Could be a potential GP3, 4, 5, okay? Because we are on the top of that range. It's breaking now. Let's see on the 1 hour. Nice. There's still plenty of room to go up. Let's see, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Okay. Until the 5 minutes, I can see if we break that 10, will be easy going to 16, 18, okay? But we need to break that first. So retracing now. Gun, I will leave you to it now. I need to
no worries. That's fine.
Go now.
But it's 8:31.
I will be back soon, okay?
You have your buy within limits. That was there a minute ago. So I don't know who's in and who's not in. It's quite a strong buy, 76%. Your targets you have currently it's 4107. At that point it was 4106. Entry points 4104 to 4106 still, so it's just slightly out of range, I'd say, for a buy. And you just won't get as much profit, so you're risking a little bit more in terms of the TPs, because TP1 is 4108 for me. So as soon as that hits, I'll let you know. How many of you are in the in this trade at this moment in time? Just let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll take it from there. So it's at the top of where it's been today. So, you know, we've whipped back slightly there. So it's right at the top of the range for the day. There it is. So it's whipped slightly back on the day chart. The 5 minutes is up. So it's probably going for this, which is the day. We'll sort that out in terms of where that goes. So I think that's what it's going for. But again, as I would say, I like to take the bigger view, like to zoom out, see what the market's doing. But at the same time, we only worry about the trade that we're in, or two trades, as Matthias is teaching you now. Some of you want to take partials. If you're going to take partials, you've got to be on more than 0.01 at least, because there's nothing lower than that. There's nothing to leave. And we advocate you need a decent size account with probably, I don't know, 4,000 or 5,000 when you've got 0.1 trades, and then you can take partials. The other way to do that is to take two trades. So if you're on 0.02 or 0.03, take two trades or even three trades at 0.01, and then you can cash out and get rid of your profitable trades and keep the runners open, which we talked about in the meeting last night. I closed one out at about 1,800 pips when it hit 4,100 yesterday, all the way down from 42.85 for the day. Just left it there. So absolutely terrific result. It's easing back now. So that's hit my TP1 and TP2. There's TP2 again. So we're heading towards TP. Just as I said that, it pulled back. So again, you need to book your profits. Take the money when it's on the table. At this moment in time, if you're just starting out, it's not about the actual money itself. It's much more about the fact that you're learning the system. There is a skill to it. It doesn't do it for you, remember. And there isn't a system that works that I've seen that does it for me. There isn't anything that does that. So this is the best system that I've ever come across in terms of as a trading aid. No signal no indicator touches this, because they're just static things that record history. Here we're looking at the future and then giving us a probability of where it goes. 8:35, we can go again. You can refresh. We're still buying. And we're at the entry point for me right now. The card that I've just pulled is eased off a bit. Remember, do not enter a buy when there's a red candle. So the minute candle's red, don't enter it. Just wait. We've got plenty of time. It's 8:35 in the day. Okay, you see, dropped a little bit more. So best entry is, for me, it's actually below the best entry, heading towards the trade stop loss. So again, when that came through, the candles were red, and I said, don't take it. Okay, do not take those trades where the candle is in the opposite direction to the trade that you're looking to place, because you just don't know how far it's going to go. What we want to do now, we want to catch it on the retracement if we can, but we don't lose our discipline. We don't just, if it's gone out of range, then it's gone out of range. That's fine. So that's where we're at in that. And so just wait now. Just wait. If you entered, it probably have hit stop loss. But as I said, the candle was red when we pressed the button, or when I pressed the button. And so therefore, we have the situation whereby we wouldn't have entered. And that's what I want you guys to learn. And now we'll probably go and hit all of those things but I'm not entering this trade. 37 minutes, 3 minutes before we pull down the next trade card. Would have been this will probably end up being a really nice buy, even though it was touched. Didn't hit the stop. We talked about hard stop yesterday. Didn't go anywhere near that. So you could have entered this and gone to your hard stop as a buy, and most probably be all right. I think I've missed the boat, so I'm not going to enter that trade. So it's just sitting there now. We'll wait 2 more minutes patiently. Did you enter the trade? If you did, let me know. Let me know how you got on. Yeah, here it goes. Go 5. So So 39. Let's see what the next trade card does. And remember, we don't have to take every single one. If we're on the 5 minutes, there are 12 of them every 5 minutes. If you're on the 15 minutes, there's 4 of them every hour. So we don't have to enter every single thing. And these are the little signals, little clues as to whether we should be entering or not. The basic one was there, that the market was selling when we pressed the button. And so we just don't enter that. Just don't entertain that. Because we have no idea how far it's going to go. I remember we're scalpers. We're not fund managers. We don't need to be in these trades for hours and hours and hours. And it was interesting yesterday because I had some decent profits, and then what happens in the overnight market? A, you don't know what happens, and B, is you face swap fees. On Wednesday night, every single broker charges 3 times the swap fees that they normally charge. I have no idea why that happened. We got caught with that a few weeks ago. So I tend to close my trades out 7:30, 8 o'clock. If I've got something running and there's a profit there, take it. Yeah, you're then fresh for the next day. I do have a trade in at TP of 4,000 that just about hit yesterday, but it's all the way up from 42 something, so it's miles and miles away. If I choose to take the profit at any time, I will do, and quite possibly today might be that day. Just think, okay, fine, let's take the 1,000 pips that it's offering. It's a rare thing now that I leave a trade open. It's just that I had a couple yesterday, so I thought I'll take one. One hit TP, and the other one I set at a ridiculous level, just for a bit of fun, as we were saying yesterday. So, sorry, we missed that. 40, could have pulled that down. Too busy talking. Still a buy, and if you pulled that out at 40, then you probably would have had the same as me. Still in the buy. That's just about at TP1 for that. Yeah, so that's TP1 done. So if you got into that one as a buy, you'd hit TP1 on that. And if you'd set the hard stop on the previous buy, you would still be in that trade at a decent profit. Wasn't going to advise you to get in around this part 41.01 because we don't know what's going to happen. We follow the system, and it's mechanical. We take out all the emotions. We just follow it. So 8:42, about 45 minutes into our session. If you joined us for the first time today, welcome. We do this Monday to Friday, 8 till 10. So we do the London Open, and then we come back to you at 1 o'clock and do the New York Open. So you can trade with us for hours. We had a team meeting yesterday. Not many people on yesterday because we missed the last couple of weeks. So that's TP2. It's just hit. And a lot of people saying a lot of benefits to be had by joining us on these sessions. So if it's the first time, a couple of things. If you'd like and subscribe to our channel, really appreciate that. That's a fantastic thing if you can do that for us. That's the only thing we ever ask you for. And the other thing is, as I said, if you want access to the machine learning signal service, then you're quite welcome to join us. Message me and get in touch, and then we can give you access completely free. All you have to do is open an account with our partner broker, and then we can do all of this for you absolutely free. 43 minutes, so 2 minutes till the next one. We hit TP2 on that. It's coming back slightly now, so always book your profits. Always take the money when it's on the table, right? Never ever leave it. That's not the way we trade. We're scalping on the 5-minute chart. Sorry, the 5-minute ML signal service, and we use the 1-minute candle. You can use the 5 minutes, up to you. Whichever. 1 minute's a little bit busier, but it's a little bit more in depth, if you like, a little bit more drill down into what the market's doing. 5 minutes, you can say, well, yeah, that's great. That's an upward trajectory, and it'll probably go and hit that. Don't take my word for it, but it'll probably try and do that today. In the next couple of hours, but let's see what happens. So 44 minutes to the time that we can pull down the next one, and that's the beauty of the system that we have. You're not waiting around for somebody else to send you a signal, and then you then jump. It's like they say jump, you say high, or how low, depending on whether it's a buy or a sell. But we control our own destinies here. It takes 52 million data points to carry out the probability scores and things that it gives. Totally emotionless, runs 23 hours a day. So a fabulous system, if I ever saw one, and even if I say so myself. We're very pleased with it. We've been very profitable since we employed it. Yes, of course, you hit stop losses, but that's the nature of the game. You want to build stop losses into your business. That's got to be part of what you do and part of where you're at. So if I go again, see what it's saying. You should have hit 2p2 on that last one. So buying 77%, still a buy. I've got 4107 as an entry point, which is just below where it's at, which is so even a better entry. Target for me is 4109, 10, 13, 15, 18. So it's not a ladder frame system that it just puts in TPs at 20 pips above, actually thinks about it. This is an intelligent system, far more intelligent than most traders that I've ever met. So let's see where we go. It's just hanging around for 4107, 4106. The price for the last 5-6 minutes, not really doing much. So probably trying to pick up liquidity and which direction it wants to go in from there. You can certainly see the peak here. There, that was where the wick went to. And that was the the daily high. That was yesterday's high. So Thursday, 2:40 in the morning. So it was this early morning's high. So which is today's high. It's not yesterday's high. Yesterday was okay. 4106 now. So a little bit lower. We'll pull back again to our entry point, or my entry point. So always be minding yourself, get your stop losses in. Don't make it too tight. We had a conversation yesterday where I think one of our community members was having the stop loss was just far too tight. Need to give it a bit of wiggle room. Don't be scared that you'll get stopped out. Make it part of the program. Make it part of your trading, that you are prepared to give some money back. Warren Buffett says, if you're not prepared to lose any money, don't be in business. Don't expect to make any money if you're not prepared to lose any money. Great saying, absolute great saying. Thank you for all of you that subscribe to the channel. The numbers are really, really growing. Just checked 470 subscribers in under 2 months. It's pretty good going. And those of you that are watching, trading with us, I hope you're successful. Come and join the community. We have a Telegram community. We have a WhatsApp group. We have Facebook, all sorts of places that we want to help you with your trading journey. So we wait. It's 5 minutes, just hovering around the entry point. If you took that trade, if it hits break even, maybe it's time to get out, because it's a couple of just a minute now before we can take the next trade card. And I tend to, if it's not doing much and I'm around the break even point, I just press the button, get rid of it. You don't want to be, so every time you put another trade in, you're increasing your risk by 100% if you're on the same lot size. So we don't want to keep doing that. It's sort of not the way we trade. So the market's come down and we are just about ready. $49, 1 more minute to go before we press the button. And we go. So every 5 minutes, you make sure you need to have a 5-minute service as well. So a little bit less confident now. Still a buy, 64% as opposed to above 70%. So need to be a little bit more careful. Market could ease up a little bit. 4101, 4100. So again, following the principles, you would not have entered a buy or on a downward facing candle, a red candle in that system. So very choppy at this moment in time. And some sessions obviously much more difficult than others. And it becomes a little bit more work sometimes. But you know what? It's all worth it in the end. So is the market reversing back again? So don't know. 4,100 might ease up a little bit. So again, I wouldn't have entered that buy because actually, well, my mistake there. So the 1 minute is what I normally follow. But 100, I want to take that trade myself. Press the buy. I think that's low enough. See where we go. Now we were a minute into that signal, but it came into the range that I wanted it to come into. So set your stop loss. That's the first thing you do as soon as you press your buy button or sell button. So that was a little green candle, perhaps a little bit early, but it's okay. I'll give it some room to breathe, and then we'll see where it goes. And you can follow me along on this. So I'm in at 4,100. And just below my entry point now, but the hard stop on that. Hi, Matthias.
Hello. How? Is retracing, isn't it?
Yes, it's retracing. We were in a buy. I took a buy at 4,100, but I'm just at my entry point now because of that little green candle on there. But you know, the last trade card was still a buy. Did you manage to sort that message out for me?
No, just tell him to reach out to me on Telegram, please. Then I can.
It doesn't
check.
matter. You can't get him in because I can't get him in.
Okay, let's try. Just tell him
So
to reach out to me.
Sorry?
Just tell him to reach out to me. Let's see if I can do something. Because
what
I
I'm trying
cannot.
to say is if I can't add him into the Telegram, you can't.
He's not on
Do you
Telegram.
understand?
Or he is on Telegram.
Of course he's on Telegram.
Okay, just tell him to send me one message. Just tell, oh, hello, I'm Chris. I'm Peter, or whatever he is. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. That's TP1. TP1. If you refresh, is TP1 can on yours?
Yeah. I've done 30, 40 pips now. I entered that at 4,100. Nice profit.
It's going towards TP2 now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's 30 pips now. So quite happy with that. I'm going to set my break even, stop loss to break even, and then see what happens. And you know, it doesn't bother me if it hits it, and it's always 4, 5, 6 pipettes above my break even. That doesn't bother me at all. The thing is that it's got the opportunity. There's an opportunity here to go all the way to 114. So there's an opportunity to go all the way to that. And so I'd rather be at a situation where I now have a free trade, which means I cannot lose any money. And it could take me all the way to TP5. And if I miss a couple of the next trade cards, that's okay. If I'm still in this one, I'll take another trade. I'll take up to 3 trades in any one sequence. So I've still got 2 spare now. I've got 1 trade, a nice profit, 30, 35 pips. Thank you very much. And these are the positions that you can sometimes leave open as runners once you get past a certain point. Let's say, for instance, it goes to TP3 and I move my profit and my stop loss to TP1. So now I've got a TP1 profit guaranteed, defined outcome. No fear. We're not scared of the market all of a sudden, and we don't care where it goes because we are guaranteed to hit TP1. So this is what going into multiple trades Those are the benefits of being in 2, 3, 4 trades at any given moment. But don't do it just by pressing the button. Make sure you've guarded yourself. So I've just set my TP to TP5, and if it hits it, beautiful. So now again, I've got a defined outcome.
And it's still
Okay.
a buy. It's still a buy. If you refresh the button, if you
Yeah.
press the button and refresh, you'll be able to prepare to book your TP1. Okay.
Yeah.
If you refresh on the 5 minutes, you'll be able to book your TP1. As you can see, it's retracing now. Just book those profits, okay?
Always.
If you book your TP1, if you have 2 entries, one you book your TP1, another one you put at break even, okay?
This is the name of the game. These techniques will make you a profitable trader. Yeah. But don't ever think you're not going to hit stop loss. Don't ever think that. Plan it in your business. Just think, if I can be profitable 70% of the time, if I can hit 7 TPs out of every 10 trades I enter, you're going to be doing really well. Nice profit now, Matthias. 50 pips for me.
Yeah, we are going towards TP2 now.
Yeah.
If you refresh, you're going towards TP2.
And the other thing is, I don't then strangle my trade by moving my stop loss constantly. I'll wait. If it hits TP3, I'll move TP1. I'm just above break even at the moment, so it's a free trade. And the trend of the market is up. The last 3 or 4 trade cards have been buys. Some are stronger than others, obviously. And then if it meanders and it does nothing, I'll take my profit.
I saw the error there, Khan. I'm trying to sort it out, okay?
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay, let's book those profits and move your stop loss to break even. Now is a very nice risk-free trading.
It's lovely.
We're going towards TP2.
Next card's up in a minute.
Going towards TP2. Let's see. And remember, now is the changing of hour. It could be a retracement, or that could be the push up. Okay, just be mindful of that. As soon as you press the button, put your stop loss. Okay, get ready for refresh. Another 20 seconds. 15. Let's go for it.
I closed that out in a nice 45, 50 pip profit. Thought, let's get rid of it. No need to hang around. Still buying. Gone for that one. Profit.
Yeah, it's still a strong buy.
Yeah. Profit, profit, profit. Stop loss to break even.
And prepare to book your TP1. TP1 is on the
Yeah.
table. Book it, guys. Go for it.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Lovely. Lovely. TP2. TP3 coming up. I've taken that at TP3. Thank you very much. Still continuing. I still think there's room.
Is TP2. We just need to break that 10. Remember, if we break that 10, we go to TP4 now, guys. TP is going towards TP4.
Yeah. Brilliant. Absolutely beautiful.
As you can see, you don't need to be.
Sorry, we were looking at this earlier whilst you were away, Mateus. That is going for this, and it's not far off now.
No, that is on the 5 minutes, isn't it? Was on the 5 minutes.
Yeah, that was 5 minutes. Yeah. But you can see it. It just zooms out, so you see it on the 5 minutes. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 profitable trades there and 2 there. That's 6 TPs I've hit in the last hour. I'm just going to go and see my contractors because they're here again. We had a day off yesterday. I was speaking about 5 minutes.
Okay. Hope you're having a very lovely morning, guys. Booking those profits. I'm trying to help some of you to get on the VIP. If you test that before, sometimes can be difficult. We need to reach out to the trading team. Job done. We got TPs, we got people in the group. I'm happy for you guys. I'm looking forward to help you to really take the power of that trading cards using that machine learning. As you can see, you don't need to be scared on the hour. You just need to be mindful, okay? Because sometimes could be a retracement on the hour. And sometimes retraces half of the candle of the hour. Sometimes retraces everything. That's why even if we have a strong buy, wait for that moment. If it's a green candle, go for it. If it's a red candle, be patient, wait for the retracement and place your trade, okay? If you keep doing that, waiting and placing the trades, if it's a green, if it's a buy, if it's sell, then you need to think about that. Just wait for that candle to finish and then you go for it, okay? If you miss some pips on the way, don't worry. If you miss 5 pips, 10 pips, don't worry. Okay, let's refresh again. If you refresh on the right time, you still have a strong buy, okay? If you refresh on the right time, you still have a strong buy. Things you need to do is book your profits. And don't overthink. What's green, you press the button and you book your profits. It's going towards TP1. As you can see, it's very simple. You need to, when you have the machine learning open, you just need to do that on the first time. After that, you just need to refresh. Okay, you go to gold, you go to standard, you click in standard, then you click in 5 minutes, and then after that you just need to keep clicking refresh every 5 minutes, because then will be always that. If you don't change, it will be always M5 standard, and that is what you want. Okay, if you're using the scalping for 5 minutes, if you want to use the 50 minutes, you do the same process. You click on gold, you click in standard, and you go to M15. Then you just need to keep refreshing every 50 minutes if you decide to go on the 15. Okay, as you can see, TP1, what you need to do now, move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. If you have 2 entries, if you have the strategy using the 2 entries, you close one at TP1 and the another one you move to break even. Okay, that is the way to do. Then you wait now for TP2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. But for now, protect your capital and book your profits. That's only TP1 for now. It's a great profit. Profit is profit. Don't overthink about the number. Profit is profit. The aim of the game is to protect your capital and book your profits. Okay, when you learn that strategy, you're doing the mechanical approach. As you can see, I have been doing a lot of things and I still can go and place those trades. Okay, I still can go and place those trades. When you have that mechanical approach, you know you're doing the same thing over and over. It's easy for you to approach the market.
So just want to clarify something with you guys. I did say to you that I hit 6 TPs. 1 or 2 of those were, I actually hit the stop loss, but I'd still made money. So they weren't technically TPs, but they were technically, I guess, stop losses. But the stop loss still produced a profit because I put my stop loss above my entry point. So it still made money. So all blues, no reds.
Amazing.
Just systems, isn't it, Matthias? Just learning. Yeah, sorry?
Yeah, it's just learning. Like I was saying to them, is that mechanical approach. If you know what you're doing and you trust what you have here, that amazing machine learning that you have here, you booking your TP2 now, if you're doing that. And going towards TP3. The aim of that, let me book some more profits, then we keep talking. The aim of that is you can do whatever you need to do when you have that mechanical approach. Okay, you don't need to overthink, you don't have fear because you have your stop loss, and you don't have the greedy because you're doing the right lot size and you're playing on the right way on your account. Okay, as you can see now, we're going towards TP3. If you got stopped out on break even, absolutely fine. You're learning as well, you protect your capital. And if you wait for that best entry, if your strategy is waiting for that best entry, you will be going towards TP3. Okay, that's the same thing you do once, keep doing that over and over and over. Okay, as you can see now, TP3, officially TP3. If you wait for that best entry, we came back to the range and went straight away. And sometimes you can have 2 entries, like I said, one on the top of the range, one on the bottom. is how you want to approach. Okay, find your way and keep doing that over and over. And if you refresh again, let's see. Okay, you can refresh again. You still see a strong buy. It's retracing. Just be mindful of that. Wait for the best entry and go for it. Okay, if you refresh before you are on the trades or waiting for that candle to do what needs to be done. Okay, it's retracing. We wait patient. We don't go straight away. Wait for your best entry. Okay, if it's a strong retracement, you didn't have time to place your trade, absolutely fine. Don't rush. Wait for the next 5 minutes. Okay, if you wait for that and it's on your best entry, you can enter, and that is the time I will use my hard stop instead to use my stop loss. Okay, when it's a big retracement like that, I will use my hard stop just on those moments. That you will learn by doing. Okay, when you see those things, if you see a red candle on the top, it's retracing and it's still a strong buy, you can go for it, but then be mindful. Wait for that retracement, wait for the best entry, place your trades on the best entry, very best entry, and then you protect yourself. You put your hard stop. Now is the time to use the entry okay as well. Between the best entry and entry okay. If you're using your hard stop, then you'll be fine to use your entry okay. Okay, when you use your hard stop, not before that. As you can see, it's coming back all the way, but the buy is still strong. That's the only moment I will use my entry okay, because you're waiting for that retracement and you use your hard stop. Okay, that will be, if you're using your entry okay, that will be 30, 40 pips, the hard stop. It's a little bit more room, but it's a potential trading as well, because you're waiting for that entry. Okay, let's see. If it comes down, you protect yourself. You have that hard stop. Okay, don't leave your trading without protection. My hard stop now is 0350, guys. 0350. Okay, that's my hard stop on that trade. My entry on that trade, I wait 650. 6.50. If it goes down, if it's still going down, I will be out, but protect. Okay, then I will refresh again now. Another 15 seconds. Let's get ready to refresh. If you refresh again, it's still a buy. Not as strong as before, but it's still a buy. Okay, it's still a buy. You have the entry point. If you're still holding that hard stop, absolutely fine. I'm still holding that, but you still can place that buy. Okay, you don't need to overthink. Just press the buy if you want and go for your TP1. Press the buy again and put my stop loss. I don't want to over risk now. Okay, TP1, book your profits, guys. Remember, I still waiting. I still holding that position on my hard stop. Okay, for you, if you wondering what I'm doing on that one, I'm still holding on my hard stop. But other than that, book your TP1 and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, it's retracing again.
I'll take you through this now. So we were saying it's likely to hit that. It didn't quite make it. It's tried that, so it may retrace and come back again, or it may retrace much further. So we're looking for maybe 50%. If it could come back to down here, could do anything. So that's why we follow the system. Okay, hard stops, stop losses, all part and parcel of the game, all part and parcel of your plan. That's what it should be. Okay, sometimes you get a little bit lucky, like I did this morning on a couple of them that I didn't close out, moved my stop loss to just above break even or TP1, and it still stopped me out technically if you think about it. But because I went for TP3 or TP4 or TP5, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't matter. You know, that's just a bit of experience. What you should be doing is see the profit, take it, TP1, take it, TP1, take it, take it all the time.
It's the power of little and often, little and often.
Yeah, little and often. That's a great philosophy.
I got stopped out on that 0350. Just came on that now, but plenty of TPs on the day. I still up and running. I still blue. Okay. And then it's time to remember every 5 minutes we refreshing, and that gives me protection. Okay, and fits on the floor. And if you book your TP1 before you move your stop loss to break even, you'll be protected as well. And that goes all the way up. I don't care, because I rather protect my capital than exposure myself all the time. Less than 1 minute, we can refresh again and we'll be able to go. Okay. $30, as you can see, is going all the way up, but like Khan was saying, we need to be mindful. Could be a retracement, just be mindful of that. Okay, could be a change of direction as well, and if we don't break that stop, could be hanging there for a while until we go on the right direction. We don't chase. We just trade what we are seeing on the machine learning, on the trading card, and what we are seeing in front of us. Okay, don't need to be scared. You need to respect, and you need to go for it. It's a buy. It's a good signal, good trading card. Just wait for that retracement now. I'm not going for that one, even if it's a good one, guys. If you go for it, use your hard stop. It's retracing very heavily now. I will be waiting. Okay. If you want to place, you will need to use your hard stop on that one. Came back straight away. Okay, that's why it's important for you to wait. When it's red candle, you buy, even if it's a strong trading card, wait for that retracement. And sometimes that retracement can come back straight away to stop loss, like did now. If you have your trading card, if you refresh with me, that came straight away to stop loss. And now is your decision. If you want to place the trades now, could be strong buy, still a strong buy, but could carry on retracing until your hard stop. It's up to you. Okay, I will not place that one. I will be waiting because the retracement can come as well on the hard stop. As you can see, it's dropping nicely. Ken was saying about that can retrace 50% easily the hour.
Yeah, that's what I was showing you on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
So you can go to the same figures, just presented slightly differently. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of buying. It's hit. It didn't quite get to that point, the high of the day, but that's fine. It may now go and test the bottom, and it does that quite a lot. The news for gold is certainly not good in the greater scheme of things. There's headwinds of inflation. The war is continuing. And then there's every chance that the Fed will put interest rates up. The only thing that's going on at this moment in time, the figures in America still look very, very good. Whether they're actually genuine, they're fudged, or they're historic and the economy has turned worse, we don't know. And quite frankly, these things interest me quite a lot, but they're not anything that we should be worried about or considering in our strategies. It's just background information for when something's going up or down as to why it is actually doing that. So, know your subject.
And
So
we know we know the patterns as well. We always talking about the hour. Be mindful on the hour. Could be a retracement. As you can see, the hour push up. We didn't break the top, and now it's retracing. It's like could be 50% of the candle, 30%, 100% if he changes direction. But then is the time that you protect yourself. As you can see, if you wait and you place the trades on the bottom, it's still going up. Absolutely amazing if you did. But on the other hand, it's risky as well. Okay, then it's better to do the right thing on the right time. And don't blame yourself. Don't have the FOMO. Okay, if that goes all the way to the top now, oh, I missed that entry. No, don't have the FOMO, because we have every 5 minutes we will be able to generate a new one. Every 50 minutes, if you want, you can generate a new trading card. And that could be a potential buy, could be a potential sell, a strong one. Then you will make nice profits. And then the market is 23 hours a day, guys. Monday to Friday, 23 hours a day. That means you have plenty of possibilities. Don't keep chasing, okay? Retracing again, if it breaks that, can easily go down. And then because we have the power to refresh and see the direction, maybe will be a change of direction now. Okay? Be patient. And let's refresh again. Get ready. Have your machine learning on the desktop version. It's good for you to see that, to refresh and have your trading view. Okay, don't rely on trading view that we're sharing on the screen. Have your trading view open and go for it. As you can see, it's neutral. It's neutral on the 5 minutes. And if you refresh later on the 50 minutes, let's see what is happening on the 50 minutes. But for now, just wait 5 minutes more. As you can see, when you have the neutral, even when you have the neutral, you can see the direction they still think that is going, but it's half of the percentage. It's very low. 52, 59, 53 for me now. I will not even look at those numbers because it's very low. Okay, I will be waiting 5 minutes. Have your coffee, have your tea. Now is your break time. If you want to go to the toilet, now you can go. You have 5 minutes. Then you come back and refresh again. Yes?
Yep.
As you can see, it's still trying to push up, but it's neutral. That means we're waiting. We had made really lovely profits on that call already. Don't waste it, okay? Don't exposure yourself. If we don't need to go, if you are in profit, be in profits. We still have half an hour, and after that we will come back at 1 as well. And the best thing of it, you'll be able to generate your own trading cards on your time as well. Okay, you can do that after the call, you can do at night, anytime. Just between 10 and 11 we had that break on the market. You'll be not able to place the trades. Other than that, anytime. Okay, be patient and talk to us, ask questions. That's the time. Look, if you're not placing any trades, that is a great time for you. I have some questions to share your profits, to share your thoughts. Okay, now is the time for you to interact with us as well. But at any point on the call, please use, if you want to be with us live, let us know. We can send you a link. You can be here as well. Like Coolwant, like Mark, they are here sometimes. You can be as well, okay? As you can see, it's breaking that 41. It's going towards 4,000. It's a big number as well, that 4,000. We try to push through that number, and it's still a way to go to get there, but we never know. We trade, we are scalpers, we trade what we see on that moment, okay? We can try to predict the future, try to see where the market is going. That's why we have all those tools, but the best way to do it is rely on that trading card. It's giving you direction all the time, all day long. And if you have been trading for a long time, you have been using a lot of signals, a lot of trading groups, but I have been there as well. I never seen something like that. And it's changing the future of trading.
So let's just have a look at what it's been doing. So we talked about retracement. It's just gone past that point, which is where it was sitting. It's going to hit this now, maybe just picking up liquidity to go up again, or maybe genuinely a retracement that comes all the way down. There's no news for gold to go up at this moment in time. Only people thinking it's cheap. Buying the dip.
It's neutral. It's neutral on 5 minutes. If you go on the 50 minutes, you have a big range. You have a better range, but be patient. Wait for the best range if you're using the 50 minutes, okay? Because that could still retracing. is a buy on the 50 minutes. I'm not going to that. I just refreshing to see where the market is going. On the 50 minutes is a buy. On the half an hour, as you can see, that the half an hour is still neutral as well. I'm not doing anything. I'm just refreshing to use machine learning. Refresh on the right time. If you refresh again, now is a sell on the 5 minutes, but I'm not going to that. I will be waiting for the next 5 minutes, okay? Because you need to refresh on the right time. Every 5 minutes exactly, you have 30 seconds to refresh. If you want to refresh just to see the direction, it's okay, but use the right trading card on the right moment, okay? That you will have more probability. That is the way the system is designed. You need to respect those rules. That's why when you start, we have the guide on the bottom of the VIP. As you can see, you'll be able to see guide. Use that guide as your Bible to go for that, okay? Your Quran or whatever you want to use, but use that as your map. Is your map for your is your roadmap for your success, that guide, okay? Respect that and you'll be absolutely fine. Like I said, we had plenty of TPs already this morning. Keep those TPs. You need to learn how to keep those TPs. Don't keep chasing, okay? Patience is the key. Now we just need to wait and we will be able to book more profits or not. If it's neutral all the time, we respect it. We just wait. And you see how calm you need to be. No stress, no overthinking, just pressing the button, okay? You need to be on that position. No stress at all. And just following your rules, following mechanical approach, and that's it. That's went to TP1 on the sell on the 5 minutes. I didn't refresh on the right time. I was just refreshing to see where the market is going, if it's changed, and it's changed, it's selling, but I didn't press the button, okay? We have been buying a lot. I will be waiting for a very strong sell in order to press the button. If you will change in direction, I really want to see that big change, okay? If you go on the 1 minute, you can see it's approaching that bottom for 1493. Is approaching that bottom. That could be the bottom of that range. If we break it, then it's a potential change in direction again, going down, okay? Let's get ready. Getting ready now to refresh again. On the right time. It's really important that, guys, the right time refreshing. And then we go again. Okay, now I go for the sell. Just wait for that candle. It's still going up. Wait for that candle. It's still going up. But that is a potential change of direction. I just want that candle to go to the top of the range. Okay. Waiting for that candle. Is retracing. still waiting patiently. If it goes to the top, I will place it. If it not, just wait patient, okay? It's still going up. It's still not on the top of my range yet. 98.08 is my top of the range on that one. And the stop loss is straight away 99.46, 99.50. If you want to enter, now is the time, okay? If you want to enter on the best range, now is the time. Put your stop loss straight away. Doesn't
Just coming
break
back
that
now, hopefully. Yeah,
Yeah.
see that on the 5 minutes? This is why it's best to take this time perspective, take that into account, because that picture looks very different before this candle on the 1 minute. 5 minute gives a little bit more clarity as to what it's been doing, and it could go to that height again. So the retracement was there, went to this, liquidity, went to here. So these areas here became support, and it's moving off there. But God knows what it's going to do. So we just take the profits that are on the table.
and put your hard stop and stop loss, okay? Always. And when you have retracements like that, is where I use my hard stop just on those occasions, okay? I wait for the best entry, then I use my hard stop. I give some room for the trade. Just on those occasions. And you will be seeing those occasions often. If you're scalping, you can see the retracement. You can see the green candle going up. You wait. Don't overdo it straight away. Don't press the button straight away. As you can see, very nice drop now. If you wait like I'm waiting, you'll be able to book your profits. You'll be able to take your TP1, move your stop loss to break even. If you have 2 entries strategy, you will enter one on the bottom and then you can enter one on the top, okay? And you de-risking, protecting your capital as well, and that's the way. And now that could be retraced back again. If you have some profits, book some profits already. Don't wait for that exactly point. If you place one trade on the top, book some profits, okay? Because that can retrace again. And if it goes down, if you still have some left, then you book more profits. As you can see, it's going down to TP1. Now you know what to do. You move your stop loss and you book your profits. It's not exactly TP1 for me yet. I'm booking my profits, okay? Because I had one on the top. I don't want to leave money there. Because that could be going back. If we break that 94, potential going down, but it's struggle to break it. It's not breaking yet. That can retrace back. I hope so. You did some profits. You took some on the top to the bottom, and you eliminate that entry. If you had your worst entry, you eliminate that entry. Eliminate, I mean, you book some profits, and you have only the best entry running now. I did that. It's all tied up. I have the top one now, and the bottom one I took off. Okay. TP1 now is a nice TP1. Let's see if we can break that. We go for TP2. TP2. If you had one entry on the top, please book those profits. It's TP2. Move your stop loss to break even. If it's not yet there, you need to protect your capital. If you place the trade on the top, remember, always when the candle is green, is going up, could be a retracement, you wait for that, the best entry. If it goes nearby your stop loss, then you use your hard stop. Okay, and then you can place your trade. Especially on scalping, I just use that on the 5 minutes. Okay, not on the 15, not on the half an hour, not on the 1 hour. I'm just using that strategy on the 5 minutes, because the room is very small, it's very narrow, the range. As you can see, that is going. Let's see if we can break that 90. We are on the bottom of that range now on the 1 minute. If you put on the 1 minute, can you zoom out a little bit for me, can the chart?
Yeah. What would you like? On to 5 minutes? What do you want?
No, the 1 minute, but we can see a little bit on the left. Just a little bit. Can you see that, guys? It's just breaking that point now. That's 90, 91. If we break that strong, keep holding, because then it's a potential TP4, TP5. If we break that strong, it's a potential TP4, TP5. That can come down straight away to that another line that can has on his that pivot point. We can come down easily for your TP5 on that one. Only if we break that strong. If it's not, book your TP2, book your nearly TP3, and stop loss at break even. Okay, if you want to hold, fine. If you're happy with your profit, book it. Thank you very much, Petra. I hope so. You're booking a lot of profits. We will keep doing that, helping you to understand, helping you to really make more profits. Okay, we're breaking that. It's TP3, guys, and that is a potential now TP4, TP5. Why? Because we're breaking that point. Okay, let's see if it goes strong. If it goes now strong on that area, can you see the 1 minute on trading, on the trading view, can sharing with us? If we keep pushing, that will be TP4, TP5. If you have a small amount of your trading is still there, it's worth to hold it. Okay, if it retraces, you don't have fear, you are at break even. Okay, you should be at break even now, or at least at TP1, your stop loss, I mean. You see the power of changing direction? You see the power of using the trading cards? We have been buying, now we're selling, and you're still making profits. And sometimes you will leave one of that trading cards, you will leave it, you don't do anything because it's just the change direction. You want a strong confirmation, but when you have the confirmation, you go for it. As you can see, that went straight away, nearly TP4. That doesn't mean we will keep pushing down, guys. Could go up. That's why you need to have your break even at TP1 now. At least now you can move that easily to TP1.
So again, we talked about the high points there. We talked about retracement. That was up here, there. Went to there. So we talked about how far. Retraced to there. That you're looking at this point. Let's see what happens. If it carries on or it bounces back up.
Oh, we didn't.
What didn't we do?
I was so concentrated here on that break. I didn't refresh.
It's easy to forget. It's easy to forget.
I didn't refresh. But yeah, if you refresh later on, don't go for it. Just keep holding those trades if you have it. It's still a sell for me. It's still a sell for me. But yeah, sometimes we forget to refreshing. Is normal because you're still in trades. You're still expecting that drop or whatever, and then you forget to refresh. That is completely normal. Okay, that's why you need to have your machine learning. I keep looking on the time. I have the time here, but sometimes you're really expecting that, and you don't need to keep refreshing. If that goes to TP4, TP5, is absolutely amazing profits. You don't need to keep exposing yourself as well. Okay, you just need to be patient. Like now. By the way, that is nearly TP2. If you refresh a little bit late, that's nearly TP2. And we are going towards TP4 on the previous one. TP4. Remember, I was holding for TP4, TP5. But that went straight away to TP1, nearly TP2. And now I will pay attention, and in another 1 minute we'll refresh again.
Let's just have a look at this on the 5 minutes, see what it's doing. It's continuing its downward trajectory.
It's trying to push down, yeah.
Yeah.
Still
so we were
hanging
saying 5,
there.
6 minutes ago. We were saying 5, 6 minutes ago that there's no news for gold at the moment that's going to take it up. Some figures coming through, but they may do that. But the trajectory is, I'll find out for you guys tomorrow. Thanks, Petra. That's great. I think I'll find out when the market, at what point it needs to hit for it to be a bearish market. Because so far, a lot of the buying's been going on because people are saying the trend is still bullish. There will be a point where the market enters where gold will be a bear market. And if you look at the trajectory over the last 20 years, because there's always been a bullish market for 20 years, you know, that's right. But there's been so many corrections and so many price falls. Inflation naturally pushes everything up over time. So it's not a bit of a dumb statement to make, really, because if you're stuck in drawdown for the next month, it doesn't really matter to you that gold is in a bullish trend and it may come back in 2 years' time, right? So if you've got a buy in at 5,200 and you keep listening to people that keep telling you that it's going to go to 6,000, well, your account could be stopped out by the time you get to that 5,700. So it's not really the right way to be talking about it. So we trade price action. We trade what's happening on the day. We're day traders. We're not week traders, month traders, year traders, fund managers. We're day traders. We want to take our money and want to run, right? Close down everything, and then you have no risk of anything happening to your capital. So
Guys,
I'm now wondering at what point, sorry, go on.
we had a sell. Just be mindful is could be a retracement. Just wait for that, okay? It's still a strong sell, but just wait for that. The last update was a sell,
Okay.
but wait for the best entry on that one. If you're still holding some of the trades on the top, just wait for the best entry on that one. Don't keep chasing, okay? As you can see, it's still retracing, it's still on that range, but now you had a better entry if you wait a little bit. And it's still pushing. Make sure you have your stop loss, okay? If you place that on the top, you did the right thing. You wait for the best entry and you put your stop loss. Don't keep playing with the hard stop now, because the drop was significant. You just need to be happy with those profits, and that's it. If we keep dropping, amazing. If you're still holding some of your trades, amazing as well. Okay, make sure you are at break even, and on the last one, make sure you have your stop loss. Okay. And book your profits now, please.
We're about to hit the last trade card of the morning with you guys. Hope it's been profitable. Petra, thank you very much for your feedback. Really appreciate it. If here the first time, please subscribe and like our channel. That's the only thing we ever ask you for. That's what gets us more viewers and we can grow the community. And that's really what we're here for. We want to grow this community so there's hundreds of people benefiting from what we're doing and on this call.
Move your stop loss to break even. You had a very great entry. Protect yourself and book your profits, okay? It's at TP1. Nice TP1 on that one, because if you wait with me, you talk that on the top of the range, really top of the range. I hope so you did. And don't overthink. Book your profits and just wait. Let's see if we reach TP5 on the previous trading cards. If you're still holding with me, soon will be TP5 if you carry on going down, okay? And TP4s and TP2s, 3s, all the TPs that you want. Let's refresh again, get ready for it. As you can see, the time's flying. It's really fast. And just book your profits. Let's see if we go to the bottom of it and we carry on booking more profits. Otherwise, you are risk-free now, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. It's still a sell, it's still strong, okay? It's still a sell, it's still strong. That's the only thing I can tell you is a red candle, it's still a sell, it's still strong. Let's book some profits. That was TP2 on the previous one.
That's the 5 minutes, puts it into perspective. What's going on in the wider market? So it could be a repetition of this, that it comes all the way down to here, could go through. Like I said, there's no news for gold in the short term for it to go up.
Okay, guys. The last
Here we
one.
go.
Book your profits, please.
Let's see if I'm going to take this last trade.
The last one went to
Selling.
TP1 straight away.
Wrong.
Yeah, went straight away to TP1, guys. Was a red candle. Don't overthink. If it's a green and we're selling, then we think a little bit. We wait for that retracement, but was a red candle. Okay, a big push, and you took your TP1 already now. Move your stop loss to break even. We're still going down. My runners are at 40.80 now, guys. Just waiting for that button at 48.80. I will not wait for the 40.70s. I will go to the 40.80. Maybe let me move that. Yeah, 40.82 will be fine. If it goes there, amazing. I will make more profit. If it's not, my stop loss, some of them will be TP1 now, and the last one is at break even.
So we see you guys at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Put it all over again. And come and join us at 1 o'clock. We are on the air, so don't say 5 past, 10 past. It's like arriving at your job late. You would never do that. You're professional people. So, and we'll take the first trade cards at 5 minutes past 1. And then we'll go and do this all over again. Hope you hit some decent profits. Reported back blue, which is what we like to see. Blue waves. That's all we want to see. A lot of books that you should look at. Trading in the Zone. Have a look at that. Download it on Audible or buy the hard copy. And very, very good book for trading. A lot about psychology, which is really what it's all about, to be honest with you. If you get your mindset right, you'll succeed at this. And if you're not, well, then you'll suffer the consequences. So we've talked about making stop losses part of your business plan. No business makes money every single day, and neither can we. You can have a situation where you don't have a losing week or a losing month, which is what we've done with our algo trading system. 25 months, not a single losing month. There was a month when we only made 0.5% profit, but not a single losing month in that time. Losing days, yes, right, a few, but that's part of the game, right? You've got to zoom out, look at this. This picture looks very different to this picture, right? Those are the months. Yeah, as we talked yesterday about 12, 13 months of continuous buying every single month. Were there losses? Yeah. Did people blow accounts? Yes. Right, lots of things happened. Right, when it retraced back from here to here, people would have lost count. When it retraced back from here to here, people would have lost count. So that doesn't make you immune from anywhere, but it is a way of looking at this market. There's more to it than meets the eye. Yeah? So absolutely incredible in terms of what happens. So yeah, Kieran, it's a tale of two halves, isn't it? You reported back, not a great morning. Petra's saying blue, blue, blue. So it's all about interpretation. Yeah, it's all about learning, and it's your first week as well. Okay, exactly. Still learning the system, still learning what's going on, right? So, and it's the price of learning. We obviously don't sell courses. We don't charge thousands of pounds. It's the money in your trading account. Yep. Keep the lot small, and be careful.
Resilience. And resilience.
Matthew loves that word, resilience.
Keep doing it. Look, TP2.
Yeah, keep doing it.
I didn't refresh. That is the previous one is going to TP2, and some of them now are TP4 and TP5 as well. Okay, if you holding,
just setting my stop loss on that to just below break even. So free trade, as we were saying. I think the trend It's definitely down.
As you can see, the 1 minute is trying to break that 84, 83. If it breaks that, will be 70s or 8, okay, easily now, because it's not too holding right now. It's not too holding that drop, and you can make more profits there, okay? If you're moving your stop loss to break even, you can hold and make some more profits. If comebacks, it's break even. You protect. Yeah.
That's the name of the game. Right, we will see you at 1 p.m. Take care. Thanks
Okay,
very much.
bye for now. See you guys.
Bye for now, guys. Take care.